The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Unscrew the stops to the left and pull straight out to remove them. Unclip and remove the housing panel. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing panel. Please note the shape of the stopper when reinstalling. Reinstall the stoppers by rotating them to the right. Clip the dampener arm back onto the glove box. Close the glove box.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.